a team, we have maintained a Google Sheets in which we add in the file URLs of the image that we generate or some important videos or some PDFs. I want I want to add all the file URLs that is in my Google Sheets in my Google Drive folder automatically. But adding the file in my Google Sheets to keep the record and then uploading the file in my Google Drive folder is a very time consuming part because there are two different tasks that I need to follow. What if I tell you, you can connect your Google Sheets and sync it with your Google Drive folder? I can upload all the files that you can see on this spreadsheet automatically at once in my Google Drive folder. So first of all, let me show you that as soon as I will upload a new file URL over here in the Google Sheets, you will see that URL is automatically going to be added in this Google Drive folder. Okay, so over here I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to first add in the name of this file right here, that is new image. Over here is the file name, and for the URL I will paste this URL right here. Now as I've added the details, if I will open my Google Drive folder, within few seconds you will see the same file that I've added is going to be added in this Google Drive folder. So you can see in front of you itself this file is uploaded, and if I'm going to open this URL, you will see it's the same photo that has been uploaded in my Google Drive folder. So as now this file has been uploaded successfully, this is how the connection between Google Sheets and Google Drive is going to work in real time. I have built the connection between these two applications using an amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect create automations between multiple applications without need of any coding and programming skills. So let's use Pabbly Connect to create this setup for you right away. So I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and you will come to the landing page. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry. Simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks, and using the 100 tasks you can create the setup that I'm teaching in this video right away absolutely for free. Test it out from your end, and if it's working fine and you want to purchase any of our plans like yearly or lifetime deals, do use the code that you can see on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get amazing and instant discounts. Okay, so I have signed in from here and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a workflow, go towards this create workflow option. I will select the option of create using Quick Builder right over here, with the help of which an AI is going to generate the entire workflow template for you with the help of a simple prompt. So I will select this. Now I need to give the prompt that I actually want. What I want to connect my Google Sheets to Google Drive. So now I'm going to write my prompt over here as upload Google Sheets files to Google Drive automatically. So this is my use case. I will share this use case with AI. It is going to ask me to select certain events that I actually want in the workflow. So now I have Google Sheets. As soon as the new data will be added in my Google Sheets, automatically my Google Drive, a file should be uploaded. So this is my use case. I will approve, create and open this template from here. The workflow template is going to be created in front of you. Now simply build the connections and your entire setup is done. It's very easy to create such workflows. Okay. Now I'm going to set up my Google Sheets step right here, where you will find the webhook URL using which we are going to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy the URL and open the spreadsheet that you need to connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option, and you will come to this window right over here, where in this video you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Install this webhook application over here. Go back and refresh the spreadsheet, okay, after installing. And over here in extensions, you will see Pabbly Connect webhooks is going to appear, from the drop down select the option of initial setup. So now you will come to the initial setup dialog box, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and for the trigger column it says the trigger column will be your final data column on which of the data is added. The whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In the spreadsheet, my trigger column is column B, because as soon as the data will be added in this column, automatically the entire row's data will be sent to the webhook URL. So my trigger column is column B. I'm going to click on this submit button, and as I've already added the details of the file that I want to upload in the spreadsheet, after that I'm going to click on this send test button. But before that, go back to your workflow and recapture the response right here. You can see it says waiting for webhook response. Now if I'm going to go back and click on this send test data button, you will see it says test data sent successfully. Now one last step is left, and then I will show you the data of this first response that is entered has been forwarded towards webhook URL or not. The last step is go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this option of send on event. It is mandatory to click on send on event, because as soon as you will add in the new data of a file in this spreadsheet, the spreadsheet is instantly going to share that data to Pabbly Connect. And as the setup is done, you will see the test response has been forwarded. The image name is prime properties image, as well as you will see the same URL is added right here. You can see prime properties image and the URL. So as now the response has been captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now after this, I want to connect Google Drive to Pabbly Connect. Open this tab, click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection option, where click on this sign in with Google option. Okay, it is asking for me to choose an account that I want to connect to Pabbly Connect, with the help of which I've created my Google Drive folder. So I will select this account from here, as well as it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the URL of the file that I want to upload. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash, and I'm going to search for the URL that I want to upload. So I will select the data of this file URL from my previous response, because this is the file that I need to upload. As I have selected this data from my previous response, this data is dynamic as well as it's mapped. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, for the folder ID, this is the folder that I've created. In this URL, this is the ID. So I'm going to copy and paste it right here. And for the file name, I'll map the data of the file name that I have received. Okay, and map the data and click on this save and send test request button, where I'm going to receive a response that I will show you. So now you can see right over here, this is the response that is captured, and in my Google Drive folder, you will see this image is uploaded successfully. As now this image has been uploaded successfully, this means that Google Sheets is connected to Google Drive. But my objective was to upload all the files that is added in the spreadsheet into my Google Drive folder. How can I do that? Now first of all, let me show you. These two files that I've entered is already there in my Google Drive. So I'm going to first delete this just to show you all the files are automatically uploaded or not. Okay, so I've deleted it. Now you can see there are no files in my Google Drive folder. I'll show you magic where all the files, there are 6 files in this spreadsheet currently. All the 6 files will be uploaded automatically. Simply go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on the send all data option. Click on this button only after you have created this setup, and then only you can follow the steps. Okay, I'm going to click on the send all data option. I'm going to go back to my Google Sheets. Within few seconds, I guess 10-15 seconds, you will see all the files one by one will be uploaded, and you can see automatically all the 6 files that I've added in my Google Sheets is one by one uploaded. There were 4 images in this spreadsheet, and there were 2 videos. You can see there are 2 videos and 4 images. If you tally the name, these are the same names. Okay, so as now the files are uploaded, this is how you create the connection between Google Sheets and Google Drive, where you can bulk upload files from Google Sheets as well into your Google Drive folder using this setup. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this video, do comment down below and I will reply to all your queries as soon as possible. Use the code ANGYT to get amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. If you want the free template link of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.